Hi and welcome to another Friday 5, and this time I'm just going to show you what I've been up to in Spain, or just show you where I've been. This is my parents' house in Spain. Wife is just cleaning up the car. We are going home today, so going back to the Land Rover life after 4 weeks down here. Spent 1 week working home office in Spain with the kids, and then my wife joined, whoop, whoop, and we had 3 weeks of vacation. So this is basically it's a 2-story house with a pool in the back, common pool. So really nice, and only 5 minutes to drive to the beach. So we've been a couple of trips to the beach, and yeah, been good. Now looking forward to getting back home. So I'm just gonna do like, and I'm back home again, and as you can see, Discovery is still here. It hasn't been started for 4 weeks now or more. Let's see here. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna start it up afterwards, but first I need to go and cut some grass because it's almost overgrown in the backyard. So let's go check it out. So as you can see, fully overgrown in the rear, so the grass needs cutting. And also this is our lawnmower, so manual labor, but kindly enough my next door neighbor saw that we were coming home, so he just offered me to use his motorized lawnmower. We usually just have the small one because we only have the grass here and the stretch of grass in the rear there, so there we don't need anything else. But now with all the tall grass, and it's pretty wet, so this is going to be much easier. So yeah, let's get to cutting the grass.
Jeg tror du må holde inn I bremsa. Ja.
Okay, so all done with the lawn mowing. So this section is for my work friend Rune. Yeah, I know he loves a good lawn mow. I don't know, but all done. Need to do the hedge, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that another day. And next up is to start the Discovery. But first, Time for some Norwegian waffles because I'm hungry after all that work. Salad.
Det här är resten från igår.
Nice. Whoop whoop.
Kan vi laga bättre sallad än det här?
Kan vi hoppa? Slå hjul.
Okej.
Ja. Länk.
Tada!
Nice. Yum yum.
Kanske laga kokbär.
Ja, det ser bra ut. Vad heter det? Norwegian waffles. Basically eggs, some butter, flour, milk, some vanilla sugar, and some salt. Easy and really good.
Jag ska lära mig refrängen.
Baker kort.
Vet du reklam?
Ja? Har du sett den?
Ja, vi har på skolan.
Ja.
Är du sponsrad med det?
TINE? Nej, det var Wish.
Någon. Vi har på skolan så såg jag någon reklam om det där.
Ja, de hadde reklameoppgaven. Men du skulle også sende godteri.
Jo, vi såg ju reklam först.
Ja.
Namn! Det är länge sedan du på mig.
Jeg gjorde det i går. Det var fantastisk. Til 4 uker med...
Hva?
Var det godt eller?
Ja!
Endelig norsk melk.
Det är
Ikke noe tvil om at de kuen på seg. Kyrne har det godt.
Okay, so waffle done, coffee done. Now it's time to start up the discovery. I'm pretty curious on how it's going to be. So it's about 4.5-5 weeks, I think, since I last started it up. So as you can see, it's falling down on its bump stops because the air is going out. So, but I'm not sure if the car can keep the air, even though it's new. Would it keep the air for a month? I'm not sure. But yeah, starting it up. Hopefully, it's gonna start up nice. Let's see here. No problem. Temperature is about 10 degrees Celsius, so yeah. The fun thing in Spain, do they actually need glow plugs? Because I was driving my parents' car and it's so warm, you don't ever have to run the glow cycle, it seems. Okay, so the car jumped up to access mode all the way, so let's see, put it into normal suspension, see if it lifts. Yeah, lifts really well. So that's off-road mode. Seems to be running fine. Everything is as it should. See how the roof rack tonight. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button, and as always, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Whoop whoop! Cheers! New tires! Yay! Finally ordered new tires after a year, so they are coming this week, so stay tuned for new tires on the Discovery. Cheers!